Here's what we're creating today. I'm converting my husband's busted mechanic stool into a beautifully covered blue vinyl stool. I found some amazing blue vinyl from this marine website, and I thought it'd be perfect since his foam pads in the garage are the gray and blue colors. So I think it would match perfectly. Now, hopefully I can recover it. I watched a couple of videos, but they make it look really easy, and I'm not sure that it's going to be that easy. So follow along and check it out. Oh my gosh, why are there so many? Now the corners really threw me for a loop. I had no idea how to do them. I even re-YouTubed some stuff and they made it look so simple. So I just did the best I could. I think 3 corners I did the same way, and this one I did differently. I went back and looked at the other original seat cover, and I think the vinyl was so thin they could just fold it and layer it on top of each other, but this vinyl is thicker and I wasn't able to do that. So I just did the best I could. We'll see how it looks here in a minute. Hopefully this inspires you to repurpose a project that has been kind of on the back burner for a while. If you do that, please let me know in the comments below what inspired you to tackle next.